Ito yung comments.
This
Ito
is
yung
my
viewers.
first test.
Viewers, 7.1 million viewers! Oh my God, ang dami.
What? Hindi. 7K.
Go vlog!
Hi. It's my first time to do live. Hi everyone.
Ever?
Yeah.
Hello! Wala pang nanonood.
Tutok ko lang sa sunset.
Ganyan. Hi guys! Tumatagtag na. Let's wait for more viewers. Ayan, dumadami na. Dumaan lang ako to say hi. It's been a long time since my last live, but hi guys! Mamaya, sana makapanood po kayo ng Blood vs. Duty. 8 p.m. po on Netflix. Hi! So many people are watching. Hi! Good afternoon! Hi, Ate Jeng! Paano ko nakita yung, comment mo agad-agad? 8 p.m. on Netflix. So many, it's so fast. Hi, Ate Kate! 5,000 people. Hello! Shout out. Hello po sa mga nasa Dubai. And sa mga kaibigan nating mga Muslim, yun po yung role ko as Jamila. Sana makanood po kayo mamaya, 8 p.m. on Netflix. I'm gonna end this na. I'm done. Di ko na alam sasabihin ko. Naiya na ako. Keep it live!
Turn off the mic.
No, you can't turn off the mic. On the corner at the end of the block, didn't know you. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. I'm gonna say bye. Ko na lang sasabihin. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Ito yung comments.
This
Ito
is
yung
my
viewers.
first test.
Viewers, 7.1 million viewers! Oh my God, ang dami.
What? Hindi. 7K.
Go vlog!
Hi. It's my first time to do live. Hi everyone.
Ever?
Yeah. Qatar. Babae natin mga Muslim.
Panoorin niyo po mamaya 8 p.m. on Netflix, Blood vs. Duty. Thank you guys! Bye-bye! Bye!